Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome. I'm an ACE certified personal trainer with years in the training space. If you want to build muscle, stay lean, and fuel your workouts without complicated meal plans or expensive, useless supplements, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down what I eat and how I train to recover fast on a busy schedule. This guide is simple, affordable, and proven to work, even if you're a beginner or getting back into shape. Stick around to the end as I'll share my budget grocery list and the only supplements you actually need to take. If you like straightforward fitness advice, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. Let's clear something up first. You don't need one special diet no one has ever heard of to get results. In fact, I don't like the word diet because people rarely stick to it. It needs to be a lifestyle that you can keep. Research shows the basics work: enough protein, whole foods, and balanced meals. They beat complicated every time. So, if you want to build lean muscle and lose fat, and more importantly, maintain it for a lifetime, focus on the following. High protein at each meal. Aim for 30 to 40 grams ideally. Good carbs for energy. Most people need carbs. Everyone really needs carbs. Healthy fats for hormones and recovery. Lots of water. Optimize your hydration and drink before you're thirsty. Mostly whole foods, not ultra-processed junk. If you get these right, you're ahead of 90% of people, easily. Here's what a normal day looks like for me. Adjust this for your size and activity, and this is just an example, but the principles remain the same. Breakfast is eggs and oatmeal. Often I'll have multiple eggs or mix in egg whites. Other days I have a Greek yogurt with berries and honey. High quality protein and high quality carbs. This helps keep me full. When in a hurry or if I prefer a drink, I make a shake with whey protein, PB Fit, bananas, ice, and spinach with some water or milk. It's a delicious way to start the day. Lunch is simple yet packed with protein in the form of chicken thighs or ground turkey with rice and steamed vegetables. Sometimes I switch for potatoes, sweet potatoes, or whole wheat pasta if I train hard that day and need some extra energy. I mix in tilapia if I'm in a seafood mood, trying to pack in some healthy omegas. I finish off the day with dinner. It's usually chicken breast or fish like salmon or another lean meat, plus sweet potatoes and a salad with olive oil dressing, possibly with some sunflower seeds mixed in. I of course mix up varieties of these, but principles remain the same, with a high quality lean protein, good carbs, and fats to keep me functioning at a high level for workouts. What are some of your go-to recovery meals? Leave some comments below. For snacks, protein shakes, nuts or cottage cheese, possibly even low-fat string cheese or chicken bites from Costco. Simple and portable, just a couple examples I use. Notice how every meal has protein. This helps your muscles recover and grow. Studies show around 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight is a good starting point, and potentially upwards of 1.3 grams of protein per pound of body weight might even be better. Your body will not keep muscle if you don't keep protein high. Even if you try to lose weight and cut calories, don't dial back the protein. Meal prepping saves money and stops you from grabbing takeout. Here's how I make it simple. Pick 2 to 3 sources for the week for protein, like chicken, eggs, or tuna. Don't worry about having a unique protein for every meal of every day. That can be tiresome. Cook rice or potatoes in bulk. If you prefer sweet potatoes or brown rice, put it in the cooker or get it all together at once. Sunday is a great meal prep day for me personally to knock this out for the week, or if midweek I need a day, Wednesdays work good, unless I'm super busy. Schedule the time just like you would a workout. Chop veggies or buy them frozen for convenience. You can get frozen veggies pretty cheap. Mix them in with lots of rice or stir-fry dishes. Store them in containers, grab, heat, and go. Simple as that. I prep a time or two a week so the food stays fresh. Total prep time, hour to hour and a half tops. As a pro tip, use spices, salsa, or hot sauces to keep meals interesting without adding junk calories. There's lots of good options. I like Mrs. Dash to flavor my meats like chicken without packing in too much sodium. Even if you stick to the same protein sources, flavoring will give you some variety so you don't get sick of things. Supplements are not magic. They're not a cure-all. They're literally meant to supplement or fill up gaps with an already healthy whole food diet, but they can help cover some gaps. Here's what I personally use. Whey protein. It's a quick way to hit your daily protein if you're busy. Throw it in a shake, mix with water or milk, or grab on the go. Creatine, one of the most researched supplements we have. It helps build strength and muscle. 5 to 10 grams a day, keep it simple. Vitamin D, many people are low in this, especially in the winter. Supports recovery and general health. That's it. No need to spend hundreds. Food first, supplements second. The above are tried and true. To zero in and see if you need more specific supplements, consult a physician for any deficiencies. Might not hurt to throw in a multivitamin as well. Just to cover bases, it's better than nothing. Healthy eating doesn't have to cost a fortune. Here's my budget-friendly list that fuels training all week, just so you have more options. Protein: eggs, canned tuna, chicken thighs, chicken breast, Greek yogurt, whey protein. All lean protein sources to help you get a gram of protein per day. For carbs: rice, potatoes, oats, whole grain breads, and pastas. For veggies and fruit: buy frozen broccoli, spinach mixed in, bananas, apples, and mixed berries. Berries are really high in antioxidants, very helpful. Healthy fats would be things like olive oils, avocados, and almonds. For flavor, add pepper, hot sauce. Make these clean meals taste amazing. Buy them in bulk, stick to your list, and avoid impulse buys. Your wallet and your muscle gains will thank you. I make a list and never shop hungry. I plan out the meals and use the online app so I get exactly what I need for curbside pickup, so I don't waste time and money getting extra junk. To wrap this up, minimalist training and minimalist eating go hand in hand. Stick to the basics. Eat enough protein, cook simple meals, use smart supplements, be consistent. Every day counts. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up for yourself. Over time, you'll build muscle, lose fat, and feel amazing. If you've gotten value from this, hit that like, share this video with friends who need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, no BS fitness content each week. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to meal for busy days? Love to see your ideas and maybe feature some in future videos. Thanks for watching. Now go crush it this week. You got this. Our goal is to bring you practical fitness advice you can use weekly. Don't forget your protein and dial in your nutrition starting now.